Understanding, hold the door open, a guide to English phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we simplify English language learning for you. Today, we're diving into a commonly used phrase, hold the door open. Not only will we explore its literal meaning, but we'll also uncover its figurative uses. So, if you've ever been curious about how and when to use this phrase, you're in the right place. Hold the door open literally means to physically keep a door open for someone else. This action is often seen as a gesture of politeness and consideration, especially in situations where someone is following closely behind or carrying something that makes it difficult for them to open the door themselves. It represents a small act of kindness and respect towards others in our daily interactions. Interestingly, hold the door open can also be used in a figurative sense. In this context, it means to provide opportunities or make it easier for someone to achieve something. For example, a teacher might hold the door open for their students by giving them extra resources or support to succeed. This usage of the phrase highlights the idea of facilitating access or advancement for others, often through support, guidance, or resources. The act of holding the door open goes beyond simple manners. It holds cultural significance in many English-speaking countries. It's seen as a symbol of courtesy and community spirit, reflecting the values of helping and respecting others. Understanding this cultural nuance can be incredibly helpful for English language learners, as it provides insight into the behaviors and expectations within these societies. To help you grasp how to use this phrase in real-life situations, let's look at some examples. Literal: as I approached the building with my hands full, a kind stranger held the door open for me. Figurative: the scholarship program aims to hold the door open for students from underprivileged backgrounds by providing them with financial aid. These examples illustrate the versatility of the phrase and how it can be adapted to various contexts to convey acts of kindness or support. We hope this video has shed some light on the phrase, hold the door open, and its uses in both literal and figurative contexts. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about what those words mean and convey in different situations. By understanding and using phrases like this, you can enrich your English communication and connect more deeply with others. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.